All right, welcome back to the channel, folks. It's been a while since I've done an update on the Chevy Hellvette, and it's living up to its name, so putting me through hell. But anyway, just a little update video here. Notice I've taken all the frame back out and everything, and the dash bar and all that stuff. Now I'm working on the inner and outer rocker panels. I'm making them from scratch, so it's eating up a lot more time, and I'm trying to weld up to that old crappy 70s thin sheet metal. One thing I hate doing is welding thin sheet metal. But give you an idea of what I'm doing here is, so let's go back here. Wheel tubs I'm making for it. They're going to be, the extension will be down farther to the bottom of the rocker panel, but right up about halfway it will start to curve back. There's my template right there that I fabbed up, and so it's going to go up a little ways. I think the top of it's going to be right there with that factory metal line right there that the upholstery, what do you call it, cards or whatever, door cards or whatever, used to slip up in. Yep. I had to do a repair here. I wished I never would have touched it, but I had to, because there was just no strength left in the sheet metal right there, and these cars ain't made out of much. But then as we get forward towards the front, you see what I'm doing here. I'm putting this sheet metal in here. I got to go and drill a hole. That's what that mark is for the fender bolt. I got the bottom one already drilled. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. You can see that's what it looked like originally. And still working on, getting ready to start working on this inner. Finishing it up. And I was having a hard time getting a leaf spring that was short enough for this car. I come down to, I narrowed it down to a Suzuki Samurai and something else. I don't even remember now, but I've just decided that my cross member for the whole project is roughly coming across right in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change and make the uprights at less of an angle, so they'll come more straight, not straight up, but straighter. And then I'm going to have to come up a little bit higher than the way it was before, and that'll give me more room in theory for leaf springs. So alright, yeah, this video is getting all over the place and silly. So anyway, this is just an update video to show you that I am actually standing inside the car, the body right now, climbing out. And so that's about it for this video. If you watched the last video, you saw that I had the frame under it and everything was tacked in. You know, you always tack it in. You don't go for gold or nothing. You don't do any finish welding until you know the whole thing is where you want it, it's right. So now I'm just doing a little bit of sheet metal work on the body, and then I'll go back to putting the frame in. Alright, well, that's it for this video. I'm not going to make it too long, so if you like this content, you've been following this project along, I appreciate it, I really do. So subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already and you're interested in this video project. And so subscribe, like, and share, comment below. Thanks for watching. Till the next one. Bye.